In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate email domain in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface to start the authentication process, so your emails have a better chance of landing in the inbox and not the spam folder. First, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM with an account that has administrative permissions for email settings. From the Zoho CRM homepage, we'll begin right where most users land after logging in. This keeps everything straightforward and ensures you see the same menus I'm referencing. Next, look toward the top right of the screen for the setup icon. It's often represented by a gear. Click that to open the settings area. If you manage a large account, there may be many options here, so take a second to let the page fully load before moving on. If you don't see the gear, you may not have the right permissions, so check with your CRM admin. Inside settings, find and click email. This section gathers everything related to composing, sending, and managing email features in Zoho CRM. It's the hub you'll come back to whenever you need to fine-tune deliverability or adjust mailbox connections. Within the email section, click Email Deliverability. This is where Zoho centralizes tools that help your messages be recognized as legitimate by receiving servers. Even if you're familiar with terms like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, you don't need to hunt for them separately. This page streamlines the process and keeps you on the correct path for CRM sent messages. Now click Add Domain. This is the starting point for authenticating the domain you use for outbound emails. You'll be prompted to enter the domain you own, typically the part after the @ in your email address, such as yourdomain.com. Use your primary sending domain rather than a one-off subdomain, unless your email strategy specifically calls for it. After you add the domain, Zoho will display the records and guidance you need to proceed with authentication. At this stage, it's a good idea to have access to your DNS host or coordinate with the person who manages your domain so you can complete the process smoothly. If you see multiple records, don't worry. Zoho organizes them clearly and indicates which values belong where. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Double check for typos when entering your domain. Allow time for DNS changes to propagate if you continue beyond this screen, and keep your organization's security policies in mind when sharing any configuration details with teammates. That's it for navigating to and initiating domain authentication in Zoho CRM. You're now set up to move forward with the on-screen instructions and improve your email deliverability.